everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. And BB has joined me today. You know, I got all set up to do an unboxing yesterday. I got everything I needed. And then I pulled out the tripod and Charlie ran away. So I wound up, instead of doing my unboxing, I wound up trying to get Charlie to not be afraid of the tripod. And you can tell by today it did not work. So I'm not going to worry about the dogs. They can come, they can go. Figure if I don't make a big deal about it, they won't either, and I can just continue to put pictures at the end of my videos. Have you discovered that if you stay tuned to the end, you'll see videos of my puppies? So I'm seeing that this is 3 diamond paintings. I have been concentrating on buying small diamond paintings that I love, and in sets, like you'll see, oh, there's all these beautiful flowers, and they'll have thumbnails of 12 different flowers. So I will buy ones that I think are simple and clean enough to do as a small one, and then buy 3 of them so that when they're done, hopefully they'll look good enough. So that's the key, is to find out if they look good enough. So these 3, actually these 2 go together, and this other one is just cute and adorable. So what I have here are 2 images of flowers. Let's see if we can see them. Oh, BB's walking past. Sorry about that. They're like little poppies in pink and purple, and then another set in white. These 2 are small. They're 20 by 25. So let's go one at a time. So the kits are standard kits: green boat, pink wax, pink single drill pen, and some bags. And I got 3 of them. They all came from the same company. So this is my new thing, since I'm not very good at finishing the big diamond paintings. My nose is itchy. I'm getting a bunch of small ones. And I'm looking for, sorry I'm talking so slow. I'm trying to do something and talk at the same time. It's not easy. I'm looking for small kits that still look nice. You know, sometimes you get the small ones. Not a big fan of partials. Some of them are okay, but I feel like the partials are very pixelated and they kind of look incomplete to me. They're nice, not my favorites. The big ones just take me forever to do. So I'm looking for simple, clean, detailed, small ones. And I'm trying to review them so you can all see. Okay, this is a 30 by 40 full drill round. And the picture, wow, it's really, really faded. The thumbnail is so faded, I can't really see it. But the symbols are okay. It's just the color is gone. Can you see that? It's very, very faint, the design. There's hearts. It's a big fluffy cloud. Here, let me show you. Here it is. Big fluffy cloud with hearts underneath and hearts around it. I'm sorry, I'm not holding things very long for people to see. I will put the picture up for you so you can see what it's supposed to look like. So on this one, even though the colors on the canvas are extremely faded, and I'm just peeling it up so it'll lay flat in my stash. The symbols are clear, and that's what's really important. You can't judge by the images on a canvas, because it's not the image on the canvas that you see in the end. It's the drills. So while it's faded, you can kind of make it out. I'm going to show you real up close. The symbols are fine. So, you know, when I do an unboxing for you guys, I try to look at the positives and not focus on the negatives, because it's very easy to get fixated on every little problem. That's not why we're here. We're trying to get an overall picture, and the picture won't be complete until the diamond painting is done. Okay, well, it doesn't want to lay completely flat, but it sure will. So that's a cute one. Even the key, I don't know if I can show you. This is where the thumbnail is supposed to be, right here. It's so faded I can't see it. And if you look at the symbols where there's normally a color behind them, there's no color. But again, as long as I can read the symbols, it's fine. Let me look at the drills. Round drills. The colors are very muted on this one. It's going to be a lot of white. See all that white? But there's some very pretty pastel pinks and blues in there, and greens. I was thinking this would be nice for like a baby's room. It's very pretty. We'll see. If some of those colors don't turn out great, I am fine. Oops. I am fine with changing colors. Throwing a few bright ones in there. Okay, that's the first one. It all came around a foam core, which is great. Looks really nice. Ooh, these are wrapped up tight. Okay, now these two go together, and they're very small. They're 20 by 25. So I'm really excited to do these and see how the picture looks if it's not pixelated. They're just simple little flowers, so I thought they'd be, you know, come out nice. The smaller ones, if you have a nice clean picture, they come out better. But these look really pretty though. Like pink. Ooh. You ever notice sometimes the canvases come and they have a smell? I don't know if that's the adhesive, but it'll air out. So here's the image. Look how sweet this is. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. And hopefully it'll only take me a couple days to do it. $20 by $25. I don't normally buy ones this small, but this was for an experiment. Again, here's the picture on the inventory sheet. Let me put the picture up for you so you can see how pretty it is. There's a lot of colors. So 21 colors on this little one. Let me put it here. And then the other one is very similar to that. So my idea is that I'm gonna frame these in like a side-by-side mat or on a painted canvas even, just two small ones side by side. Let's peel this one up. Oh, so pretty. It's like white. Can you see that? It's white with just a hint of color. And I'll put the picture up on this one too. You know, I have such horrible memory. I'm sitting here thinking, I said that already. And I don't know if I said that for this one or the other one. I get so confused. But just bear with me. You know, you'll see the picture one way or the other. This is Angel's hand on it. As always, the links are going to be in the description. These are just so sweet. These little flowers. Same number of colors on this one, which is a lot for such a tiny diamond painting. I'm really happy with these two. I think I chose well. Some of them were very busy, and I just don't think any image that's busy with detail, with a lot of detail, is gonna come out good in a small one like that. It just isn't. So, well, and then I'm thinking about it, you know, for me, it's really about the process of diamond painting. I don't rush. I just do it to relax, put on a movie that I don't have to watch every moment of, and just enjoy myself. So these two are 20 by 25 full drill round. As always, the links will be in the description. Hey, if you're liking my videos, take a minute and subscribe. And if you want to be notified when they come out, you just tap the little bell icon and you'll get a notification. And that's all for this one. I'm pretty happy. I think they're all going to come out nice, and I will try to update people as I go along. That's it. You have a great day. Thank you again for joining me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye.